During the history of Canadian politics, 12 minority governments have been elected at the federal level. There have also been 2 minority governments resulting from governments being replaced between elections, for a total of 14 federal minority governments in 12 separate minority parliaments. There have been historical cases where the governing party had fewer than half of the seats but had the support of independents who called themselves members of the party. These cases are not included, as there was never any serious chance of the government falling. In a minority situation, governments must rely on the support of other parties to stay in power, providing less stability than a majority government. At the federal level, no minority government has lasted a standard 4-year term. Most minority governments have lasted less than 2 years. The average duration of completed minorities in Canada is 479 days, or approximately 1 year, 140 days counting only that part of the 14th Parliament that was a minority, or 1 year, 207 days counting the entire duration of it. In addition to the minorities below, the Second Canadian Parliament was a minority for 56 days under Prime Minister Alexander Mackenzie after he took power from John A. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.